Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best shoe deodorizer sprays on the market right now. Whether you're looking to eliminate stubborn odors, refresh your shoes after a long workout, or keep your feet feeling fresh all day, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for you, and don't forget to check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Choppy Shoe Deodorizer Spray. This 5-ounce bottle is designed to tackle odors head-on, making it a great option for those who want to neutralize embarrassing shoe smells quickly. Its formula penetrates deep into your shoes to eliminate odors at the source, while leaving behind a pleasant, fresh scent. The Choppy spray has a compact and portable design, making it easy to carry with you to the gym, office, or even while traveling. It's simple to use. Just shake, spray, and let it dry for a few minutes. However, while the formula is gentle and free of harmful chemicals, its overall effectiveness in combating very stubborn odors wasn't as long-lasting as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly choice for everyday use, Choppy is a decent pick. However, it may not be the best option for athletes or heavy-duty odor elimination. Pros include its portability and gentle formula, while cons involve its slightly less powerful long-term odor suppression. Coming in at number 4 is the Aromasong Natural Shoe Deodorizer and Foot Spray. This product prides itself on using 100% organic ingredients to tackle unpleasant odors in shoes, feet, and even household items like gym bags and pet beds. With a refreshing scent and a sulfate-free, cruelty-free formula, it's a great option for environmentally conscious users. One of the standout features of the Aromasong spray is its claim to deliver 24-hour freshness. While it does a solid job of instantly refreshing shoes and feet with its fast-drying formula, its long-lasting effect isn't quite as robust as advertised, especially for heavily used footwear like running shoes or work boots. However, its versatility and natural composition make it a good choice for families or anyone with sensitive skin. The Aromasong spray is best suited for casual daily use, especially for those who prefer eco-friendly products. Pros include its gentle, non-toxic formula and versatile applications, while the cons include its performance on more intense odors and the relatively subtle scent, which some users might find underwhelming. At number 3, we have the Elite Sports Shoe Deodorizer Spray. Designed with athletes in mind, this spray features a blend of 11 essential oils and 7 herbs, including peppermint, tea tree, and lavender oils. It's a natural yet powerful option for eliminating odors from sneakers, boots, and other footwear. The peppermint scent is refreshing and not overpowering, making it a pleasant choice for daily use. The formula is free of formaldehyde, phthalates, and other harmful chemicals, making it safe for direct application on both shoes and skin. Its performance is impressive, especially for active users. It keeps odors at bay from morning workouts to evening wear. However, the 4-ounce bottle might not last as long if you're using it frequently. This spray is ideal for gym-goers, athletes, or anyone who needs a reliable product for all-day odor control. Pros include its natural formula and long-lasting peppermint scent, while cons involve its smaller bottle size and slightly higher price point compared to other options. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Pixie Wink Foot and Shoe Deodorizer Spray. This product sets itself apart with its dual-action formula that not only eliminates odors, but also provides a cooling sensation that revitalizes tired feet. With a lemon and mint scent, it's refreshing yet subtle enough for everyday use. What makes Pixie Wink stand out is its versatility. It's effective on a variety of surfaces, from shoes and feet to gym bags, pet supplies, and even clothes. The fast-drying formula absorbs quickly and leaves no residue, making it a convenient choice for busy lifestyles. However, while it excels in versatility and ease of use, its odor-eliminating power is slightly less potent compared to our top pick. This product is perfect for families or anyone who needs a multi-purpose spray for home, gym, or travel. Pros include its refreshing scent, versatility, and fast-drying formula. On the downside, it may not be as effective for heavy-duty odor problems in athletic gear or work boots. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dr. Scholl's Odor X Foot Odor Probiotic Spray. This product is a game changer, offering immediate odor elimination while preventing odors from returning. Thanks to its unique probiotic formula, it's designed to rebalance the bacterial environment on your feet, restoring your skin's microbiome and keeping odors at bay. Dr. Scholl's is a trusted name in foot care, and this spray lives up to the brand's reputation. The peppermint-scented formula is paraben-free and provides a cooling, soothing sensation when applied. It's easy to use and dries quickly, leaving no residue behind. With its focus on both short-term and long-term odor control, it's perfect for athletes, professionals, and anyone dealing with persistent foot odor. While the price is slightly higher for a 4-ounce bottle, the performance and reliability justify the cost. Pros include its probiotic-powered formula, soothing application, and excellent odor prevention. The only con is the smaller bottle size, which might not last as long for frequent users. Overall, this is the best shoe deodorizer spray on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right shoe deodorizer spray for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay fresh and stay confident.